Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week.
In today's video tip, I'm going to show you a fast, easy way to check your steering compass for deviation error. Deviation is caused by magnetic materials such as metals or electrical current near your steering compass. Follow these easy steps to check your steering compass for deviation. Use a hand bearing compass to check the steering compass. I prefer the hockey puck type hand bearing compass that comes with a lanyard that you can put around your neck for safety. Next, find an area in your cockpit at least 3 feet away from magnetic influences, as this includes any electronic device or wires with live electric current. Stand on the center line and sight onto the headstay. Read the hand bearing compass and compare it to the steering compass at the same time. Find the difference between the reading on the steering compass and hand bearing compass. If the steering compass is best or higher than the hand bearing compass reading, your deviation error will be west. If the steering compass reading is least or less than the hand bearing compass reading, deviation error will be east. Work through these examples. The steering compass reads 015 and your hand bearing compass reads 013. The difference between the two compasses is 2 degrees. The steering compass is best or higher than the hand bearing compass reading, so the deviation will be 2 degrees west. In example 2, the steering compass reads 259 and our hand bearing compass reads 263. The difference between the two is 4 degrees, and because the steering compass number is least or less than the hand bearing compass number, our deviation error will be 4 degrees east. Deviation depends on the heading of your boat, so when you change course, the deviation might change. Check your deviation on different headings to ensure that your steering compass will get you and your sailing crew home safe and sound. Deviation errors of 2 degrees or less can usually be ignored for safe navigation, but deviation error greater than 2 degrees should be removed before you use the compass for navigation. Hire a professional compass adjuster to remove excessive deviation errors for worry-free sailing or cruising on the waters of the world.
This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.